Ethereum is ready to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Ethereum right now, we are testing a very crucial resistance point. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see that this level acted as a very strong resistance point previously, and as of right now, we are in the same situation. The only difference, of course, is the fact that you can see pretty much before we were in a neutral standpoint on the exponential moving averages, and as of right now we are using them as support. So what does this mean for Ethereum? Well, ideally from this perspective, if we do break above this 1220 level with a clean break forward, we could easily be looking for a massive move, possibly retesting our major resistance here at 1278. As you guys already know from previous price analysis, the 1278 level acted as a very strong resistance point, and Ethereum failed to break above that level before we finally saw this massive move to the downside. We did have a beautiful double bottom support level here tested with multiple time frames in terms of the support, and as of right now, us seeing that break above this bullish candlestick in terms of the exponential moving averages is a very clean continuation pattern. Now, of course, in terms of a bullish case, we would have to try to break above this 1278 level, find it as support, and then a continuation in order for us to switch to a short-term bull market trend, because obviously once that happens, we can easily look at this level as an inverse bar formation, possibly riding it back up to around the 1518 level. From a bearish case scenario, of course, there are a few things to note. Number one being the fact that if we do see a retest around that 1278 level, this is obviously going to make things extremely interesting. Any retest of this level would still act as a very strong resistance point, and we can easily see this level get tested and then the continuation to the downside. Now, don't get confused, of course, in terms of this analysis. I am still leaning towards this major support level here at $1,000. I'm simply just saying the fact that we bounced off this level here at 1160, was because of the fact that we have already seen this level hold multiple times, as well as the fact that we were in extreme oversold conditions on Ethereum. I did mention to you guys that, of course, we may see a pullback opportunity before we continue pushing to the downside. The question is just going to be, where exactly is this pullback going to happen? Whether or not it'll happen at 1278 and then the continuation, or whether we see it from here at 1216 and then the move to the downside. So just be very careful when you guys are trading. Of course, these ranges are extremely choppy as of right now, which I have mentioned to you guys in the previous video as well. This to me is a no trade zone, but right now Ethereum is looking a little bit bullish, right? You can see that we are testing this exponential moving average multiple times. We are now retesting this resistance level once again, but because of the range and how choppy it is, this is just a no trade zone opportunity. Any clean break above this previous wick here around the 1228 would be a beautiful opportunity to start looking for that long position, possibly riding it over to 1278. On the hourly time frames, you can see we do have a little bit more of a different analysis here. You can see that we do have an hourly bar formation being formed. You see we had this beautiful break above, and now we are using this level as resistance, and it's getting extremely choppy. As you guys already know, the more times a resistance level is tested, the higher chance of it breaking. But if you're paying attention, you can see that we are also testing the exponential moving averages multiple times. Any clean break below this range would mean a massive move, possibly back down to the 1150 range. And as you guys already know, we have already seen a two test confirmation on that level on the hourly. So this would become the third test. So this is why I'm saying this is a no trade zone, to kind of see how Ethereum plays out. Right now, you guys are seeing how choppy it is. You can see we just saw it level hit to 1216, and immediately after we are now forming this bearish formation once again. So be very, very careful as you guys are trading in this range. On the daily time frames, I quickly wanted to talk about something. You can see that we are testing the exponential moving averages as resistance as well over here, but the fact that we saw a beautiful strong bullish engulfing candle obviously is a little bit more different. We saw the same formation over here when we actually got down to this level and then saw that bullish move. Then we had a beautiful breakout going all the way up to 1278. So the question is going to be whether or not we see the same sort of move set. Right now, if we do break above this exponential moving average at 1220, you can see why I'm mentioning that 1228 specifically, including on the daily time frames. If we see a clean break above that level, we could be looking for a massive short squeeze opportunity. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in my free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.